Investing in stocks in Canada as an international student. Do you want to earn passive income as an international student in Canada? You can do so by investing in stocks. Invest in stocks to earn passive income and pay for various expenses that you may incur. But is it possible for an international student in Canada to invest in stocks in Canada? Yes, it is possible. However, there are specific requirements that you need to meet to be able to do so. You can even day trade. Other than stocks, you can also invest in mutual funds, ETFs, GICs, and community bonds. You can invest in blue chip stocks, but you have to scout for a good broker first. Online brokers like Wealthsimple can be your safest bet, as they are good, but don't charge any commission. Suppose you want to know about the investment options and steps to invest in stocks in detail. In that case, you can visit our website smartstudentcanada.com. We have a dedicated blog on the above website on this topic. If you are someone who wants to earn some passive income by investing in stocks, mutual funds, etc., let us know the topics you would like for us to cover in the next video or queries you have. We will definitely respond to your requests and provide prompt solutions to all your queries in our next video. If you like this video or you want to keep watching similar videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos that we publish on this channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Best of luck and have a great life.